Hi guys, Alex here with another great import-export tip for you today. I'm coming to you from a very special place. It's here in St. Petersburg in Russia. You can see in the background there. It's a lovely city. So what is today's fantastic import-export tip? Well, I've got a very special client. He's based in Australia and he imports from China into Australia. And what he decided to do, and this is something that anyone can really do, what he decided to do was to test the market out and basically see how well his particular product would sell in basically other countries like Russia and Germany. And what he found was he was actually doing quite well selling his products in Australia, but what he found surprisingly was his products actually sell more here in St. Petersburg than any other place in the world. So I just want to sort of give this tip of advice to you. Is nothing stopping you going to other countries and basically testing whether or not your particular product can sell in that particular country. There's nothing stopping you going to places like odesk.com, a great website where you can find translators to actually translate for you descriptions and product descriptions and basically eBay listings, all that kind of stuff. So if you're selling something on eBay right now, there's nothing stopping you going to ebay.ru, the Russian eBay, getting your product descriptions, your titles, your tags, everything translated into Russian and actually selling your particular product on another eBay account. Same thing goes with other countries. So I just want to give you a bit of share this quick story with you. My client in Australia, he's doing very well, like I said before, and he just decided to try this on out of whim, and it's actually been a bit of a successful whim. So stay tuned, guys, and look out for some more videos in the future.